Hey guys, so I've been working on potting up my Heuchera seedlings, and I had already gotten started before I decided, oh, you should film this, so I want to come and show you. I still have a few left to do, so here is, this is what they all were looking like. I even potted up the Heuchera that I had in my winter sown jug. These Heuchera are from the Heuchera seeds that I gathered from the Heuchera over there. And I'll show you what those look like. They look a little different than the other ones. So here they go. These are from the winter sown jug. They're a lot more colorful than these ones that I bought from a seed company online. These ones all pretty much look the same. The seed packet was supposed to be a mixed variety. They all look like the same. I don't mind, it's not a big deal. I definitely have space to put these, and I definitely have space to put those. I'm excited. So I have a few more left, so I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and get those potted up. So I'm potting these guys, just making sure that this crown is above soil level, which it is. You can see that. You don't want to plant any crown of a plant underneath soil. If the plant gets too wet there, stays too wet, it will rot. So they are all finished. They look great. I think I will keep them probably in these pots until early to mid fall, planting them late in the season so that they have time to build up even more of a root system. They have really great root systems right now, but I want them to be a little bit stronger for when I plant them in ground. I didn't use any special kind of soil. The soil that I used was leftover soil from a couple of different pots where the plants didn't do anything really in them. There was some roots in there, but the roots will break down. It'll be like compost. It'll compost within the pot, so they'll be fine. I'll fertilize them with fish fertilizer as I fertilize everything else that is potted, and they'll do well. I mean, if they start really taking off, you know, I'll plant them out sooner, but I just want the roots to be really, really robust before I plant them, because I've seen what my squirrels and chipmunks out here do, and they dig into the root. So like they'll go like down this area and just dig, cutting off half that root system. They killed one of my hydrangeas that way. So I'm gonna be extra protective with these babies because it's been a labor of love. I've been keeping an eye on them since January. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!